What is the Tstud? The Tstud is a new engineered building product that uses two wood lumber members with an internal wood truss system made from dowels and a poured in place closed cell foam that has a global warming potential of less than 1 and is EPA compliant for 2020. The Tstud is fully code compliant for all of North America and is made to replace standard framing lumber, but has extensive benefits that the standard 2x material can't offer. The biggest benefit is the improvement in energy efficiency. The foam between the two wood members creates a thermal break. A thermal break reduces or prevents the flow of thermal energy between conductive materials. The Tstud provides a 99% thermal break between the outside and the inside environments, meaning the temperature outside a structure is almost completely blocked by the Tstud, allowing the inside ambient temperature to stay more consistent regardless of the outside extremes. The Tstud offers homeowners a significant reduction in heating and cooling bills for the life of the structure, which of course depends on how many times you let the dogs out. The Tstud qualifies for energy rebate programs. In Minnesota, the rebate is up to $4,000. For more information or to use the Tstud in your next building project, check out tstud.com. We look forward to working with you